Your drill's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear housing from the drill. With the cover removed, now I have access to the brushes. I'll start by removing the brush lead from the first brush. With the lead removed, now I can pull back the brush spring and pull the brush out of the holder. Now I can install the new brush. I'll pull the brush spring back, insert the new brush into the brush holder, and place the spring on top of the brush. And now reattach the lead. And I'll repeat this same process on the other side. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear housing. And that's all it takes to replace the brushes in your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.